Everyone thinks real estate investing means becoming a landlord, but there are different ways to invest, and some require zero tenants, zero repairs, zero phone calls at 2 a.m. Yeah, buying real estate as an investment means purchasing properties to generate rental income or profit from the market appreciation. There are several strategies. Some include direct ownership, like owning a rental property or doing a house flipping. You can do passive investments like REITs or REITs or crowdfunding. They provide steady cash flow, tax benefits, but pretty much they all require good capital and they carry tenant and market and maintenance risks. So here are some core investment strategies. Buying residential or commercial real estate to lease out. In this, you earn consistent cash flow, which is rent, and benefit from long-term appreciation. So you have to hold it for a long period of time. Second is where you're purchasing an undervalued properties that requires good amount of work. You renovate them and then you turn around and sell them for a profit. This requires active work and as well as deep local market knowledge. Then comes real estate investment trusts. There are companies that own or finance income producing real estate. You can buy shares on major exchanges of these REITs. They offer liquidity and dividends without the burden of property management. Then you have crowdfunding. In this, you pool money with other investors to fund larger projects or buy properties through online platforms. Whatever you choose, the key factors that you should consider are first, cash flow. The difference between the rental income and the ongoing expenses, which are mortgage, taxes, insurance, and don't forget maintenance. Most investors look for cash flow positive properties from day one, but not all areas will provide you that, meet that requirement. Then you have to look into the location and market as well. You may have a great house in a declining market that remains a poor investment. So you must look for job growth, low vacancy, and nice neighborhood amenities. Otherwise, the property may depreciate in the value very quickly. Then you have to look into financing. Investment opportunities, the lenders will require anywhere between 15 to even 30%, whereas primary residences they need only 20%. Then you should consider property management. You can manage yourself, and save 6% or more, but outsourcing this task to a professional property manager can save you a good amount of time and headache. I am Salil Prasad. Feel free to reach out to me should you need any further guidance or have any questions about investing or the investment opportunities.